What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialist. Wanted to bring to you one of the companies that I use every single day, at least one of their products. And we're talking about KECO or KECO, whatever everybody calls it, something different. Absolutely amazing glue pulling products. They used to be really focused on paintless dent repair. Now they're getting into collision repair. So they've got some kick butt products we use every single day. It's also their 10-year anniversary. So I wanted to give Chris White a little love and show you what they have. Stay with me on this video. We'll go through some good stuff. Let's check it out. All right, guys, one thing I like about this actual mini lifter, the functionality of it actually moving around. That one's a little loud, it's brand new. This one moves from right to right and the handle spins. So you can tighten this. If your hands, back in the day we used to have to grab like this and pull. Now you can turn it and make it a little more easier on the wrist. And angles. So when you're up on a roof rail, usually the mini lifter would be like this and you'd have to pull straight up. Now you can turn it and pull straight. Makes it a little more versatile with this lock line leg foot setup. The other cool option is you can pop these off, and there's a hole straightener that they made, and you can still use this. One thing I like about the hole straightener is you can constantly turn this all the way around that hole instead of pulling it out, tighten it, pulling it out, tighten it, pulling it out, tighten this. I just kind of roll around the panel and keep getting that hole straight. They make some great products. The K-bar, the bridge, the slapper tappers, some of the really good economical knockdowns, and their tabs are some of the best on the market. Their new dead center tabs are like nothing you've ever seen. They will pull a dent inside out, one pull. I love that tab. That is my money maker. One of the products I really enjoy is the Robo Lifter. I did a review a couple weeks back about the lift right that Ray Sapnew came out with, and I also explained that the KECO Robo Lifter, that you almost need both of those products to do the repairs. I was fortunate enough to get one of these, and this is their 10-year anniversary edition Robo Lifter that they gave away at their big party that they had in Oklahoma. Unfortunately, I was unable to make it due to other engagements. They made this limited edition. I think it's only 75. It's very much like the original, just in an ice product, since everybody likes this ice color. And their new dead center tabs are kick butt. Couldn't ask for a better tab on the market. And just a good company. If you have an issue with the product, you call their customer support line. They'll walk you through it. But I really just wanted to do this video to congratulate the team over at KECO for their 10 years in the industry, 10 years in business, and thank you for building such great products. You guys have a good day, and remember, guys, keep it real. See you on the next one.